What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mobility scooters to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Revo 2.0 four-wheel scooter from Pride Mobility is a durable and rugged mobility device that combines the toughness of a mid-size scooter with the portability of a travel scooter. Built to last, this scooter offers a smooth and comfortable ride with the superior performance provided by Pride's patented Comfort Track front and rear suspension. One of the standout features of the Revo 2.0 is its versatility and convenience. It is available in both 3- and 4-wheel models, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their needs. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with an ultra-heavy-duty drivetrain, enabling it to handle varied terrains with ease. Unlike many travel scooters, the Revo 2.0 has a higher weight capacity, supporting up to 170 kilograms. This combination of rugged durability and ease of transport makes it a practical choice for individuals with different mobility requirements. Portability is another key aspect of the Revo 2.0. With its feather touch disassembly feature, the scooter can be quickly and conveniently separated into manageable components, facilitating easy transportation. Whether you need to pack it into a car trunk or store it in a small space, the Revo 2.0 offers hassle-free portability. The Revo 2.0 represents the next generation of scooters, designed to empower individuals to live their best lives. With its durability, convenience, and comfortable ride, this scooter from Pride Mobility is a reliable choice for those seeking a high-performing mobility solution. Explore the latest innovation and experience the freedom the Revo 2.0 has to offer. The iLiving i3 is a versatile and compact mobility scooter designed for easy travel and transportation. It is made from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum, which provides stability and safety while keeping the scooter lightweight. With a weight capacity of up to 136 kilograms, the i3 can accommodate a wide range of users. One of the key features of the i3 is its toolless folding capabilities. This makes it easy to store and transport the scooter in a car, making it an ideal choice for people who need to take their mobility scooter with them on the go. The compact frame of the i3 also makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, both indoors and outdoors. The i3 has a maximum travel range of up to 22 kilometers on a single battery charge, making it suitable for longer trips. The scooter has a top speed of 4 miles per hour and a minimum speed of 2 miles per hour, giving users a range of options for different scenarios. Additionally, the i3 can handle inclines of up to 8 degrees, which is ideal for navigating hills and ramps. In terms of convenience, the i3 includes a USB port for charging phones and other devices, as well as a storage compartment on the floorboard. The seat dimensions provide a comfortable and ergonomic seating position. Overall, the iLiving i3 foldable mobility scooter is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight and compact mobility scooter that is easy to store and transport. With its heavy-duty aluminum construction, toolless folding capabilities, and convenient features, the i3 offers users a versatile and reliable mobility solution that can help them maintain their independence and mobility. The Journey So Lite wheelchair is a lightweight four-wheeler packed with safety features that make it perfect for easy maneuverability. Whether you are heading to the store, tooling around the neighborhood, or scooting off to your favorite park, the So Lite scooter is easy to handle. The wheelchair weighs 18 kilograms without the battery and folds up in seconds without any tools. This makes it perfect for traveling, as you can easily take it with you wherever you go. The So Lite scooter is designed with safety in mind. Innovative anti-tip technology and electronic stability control prevent tip-over on turns. Additionally, there are automatic electromagnetic brakes, a powerful headlight and horn, and a speed control function to ensure a safe ride. The wheelchair is also extremely comfortable, making it ideal for long rides. In terms of storage, the Lite scooter comes with plenty of storage options. There is a large front basket that can hold all of your essentials, as well as a back pocket for additional storage. The wheelchair also has intuitive controls that are easy to use. Overall, the Lite scooter is a little engine that will take you places. It is perfect for those who are looking for easy maneuverability, plenty of storage, extreme comfort, and true safety. Whether you are running errands or exploring your favorite park, the Lite scooter is the perfect travel companion. The Vive four-wheel mobility scooter is a safe and stable electric scooter that is lightweight and easy to assemble for travel. It has anti-flat tires that can navigate any surface indoors and outdoors, making it easy to maneuver over smooth indoor surfaces and rough outdoor surfaces with comfort and ease. The anti-slip wheels also help on ramps. The scooter has a speed knob that allows you to set your top speed, which can reach up to 6 km per hour. It also has a built-in horn that makes it easy for others to hear you coming, and high-intensity LED headlights that allow you to see where you're going. The scooter has a height-adjustable padded swivel seat with cushioned arm pads and a backrest, providing comfort during long rides. It also has a removable storage basket for your essentials. One of the best things about this scooter is that it can be easily disassembled. No piece weighs more than 13 kilograms, and it is TSA approved for travel. When disassembled, the scooter can easily fit in any trunk, making it convenient for people who need to travel with their scooters. Overall, the Vive four-wheel mobility scooter is a great choice for those who need a safe and reliable mobility scooter. With its anti-flat tires, anti-slip wheels, adjustable seat, and built-in horn and headlights, it provides a comfortable and convenient ride. Its easy assembly and disassembly make it perfect for travel, and its TSA approval ensures that you can take it with you wherever you go. The EWheels is a popular brand that manufactures high-quality mobility scooters. One of their notable products is the EWheels EW26 four-wheel mobility scooter, designed to help people with limited mobility. The scooter is lightweight and can be folded in seconds for portability, which makes it easy to transport in most car trunks. Mobility scooters have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer numerous benefits for physical health and social well-being. The EW26 has a 24 km range on a single charge, making it ideal for short trips around town or outdoor adventures. It has a weight capacity of 120 kilograms and is approved for onboard flights, which makes it suitable for travelers who require mobility aid. The scooter features a padded seat, armrests, and a front storage pouch for added comfort and convenience. It also has LED head and tail lights, making it visible in low light conditions. The easy-to-use controls and the top speed of 5 miles per hour ensure a comfortable and secure ride for users. Overall, the EW26 mobility scooter is a well-designed and reliable mobility aid. It offers numerous benefits to people with limited mobility, including physical health and social well-being. With its impressive range, weight capacity, and foldability, the EW26 is an ideal option for anyone looking for a high-quality mobility scooter.